Yep. Welcome to the shop. Back of it, at least. All right. So here's what we got going on over here. It's our fiber laser to do back glass repair. We have a couple pieces of equipment here in order to do that. First things, got to create your file to put into the laser. Ours happens to be a 30 watt 200 by 200 fiber laser. It's got a Sino Galvo in it. That's where all the mirrors are inside, shooting the laser from the laser generator that's currently off through some awesome stuff onto the surface down here. There's a lens there that we can change our parameters and work area from 200 to 300 by 300. Got an old school Windows 7 machine, believe it or not, running this awesome piece of equipment. As it's running, we got a fan that sucks out all the vapors and fumes and stuff that it makes. Pump it out the window because we don't want to breathe that shit. There's our file. You gotta start with a good file. Ours that we first got was nothing like this. Basically looked like this. And China was like, yeah, that's good enough. And it wasn't, so we had to modify it and we put our own spin on it. But what we're gonna do is fix this. This one's fucked up. It's broken. Some better light. So this is just a demo. Normally the phone's not apart. In a lot of the cases it's not. Make your file, send it to the cloud, get it on this computer. It's an AI file created in Adobe Illustrator 8. Then you open it up, you on your hatch on it, it looks like this. You input that into the laser. The laser then tells you, here's your outline that you're working with. This outline is the exterior border of all this. So we're just gonna have to size it up and make it work. On the fan. Turn on the fan up here. Choose your parameter that we set. That's another thing you gotta do is you gotta set your own parameters. We select them from a library that we've made by testing. I think we're running the 8 one recently. The XS, the one we did most recent. We have our own speed and power settings here that we've determined to work really well for our needs and with our power and particular laser type. And let's let it run, man. So right now we're running it at 65 power, 1725 millimeters per second, and a 200 frequency. We have a 35-degree hatch on the file running. We might mark it twice in the same run just to see how the adhesive breaks down, but you can already see it. The dark gray lines are where the adhesive is. Otherwise it's all being sucked out of this fan. Total process is what? Like 3 minutes or so? So, as it's doing that, there's our machine. It's about the size of a desktop computer from back in the day. Here's our arm that's adjustable up and down to adjust for the height of the lens, depending on the product you're working on. Got our second firing going now. Same speed, same everything. EasyCAD, circa 2011 software. It's great. Oh, bet you my finger hit right there.
Yeah. We gotta see our MV loads
Momentarily. Alright, it's gonna be finishing up here soon. What's up, B. Ryan? Sure stinks bad. That's it. It's run its course. Not even hot to the touch. Shit. Wonder how hot it is. Let's see. 98 degrees. Ain't roasted no batteries. Killing no boards. No big deal. So this is just a demo. It's yeah, put all your wattos on there, dude. Charging pad in there. Oh, it is. Nice. Just put it on there, bro. That's secret sauce, and ain't nobody gonna. Off of this one, so we're gonna put it in the silver housing yesterday. You gotta go sell a phone, bureau?
Yeah, there's some shit left.
Right. Take Poland's out today. Oh, wait. Send that. Easy peasy. But let's clean up this here mess right quick. That'll be replaced with the new shit. Guys got going on over here. Das clean cycle. Come on, das fun. Full blast.
Ready?
Are you?
I mean, you want to double check?
Nah, I mean, we fucking lined it up, dude. Turn the laser on. That helps. Whoops.
A little bit.
I get to see that smoke going right in there, dude. It's awesome. If you don't have ventilation using this, you're a fucking fool. Much love. I guess. Yeah. What have you been inhaling? Not really too sure.
I don't know.
It's definitely been vaporized though.
Burnt to pieces.
I got the black lung pop. What phone you got, Seth?
It's red.
What are you gonna go do next? Just on this? Just do some rag and some tone or something? Maybe engrave glass to put it on the housing? Yeah, I sure could, man. Very easily. That's it. Drop the shit. Yeah, peel up. roasting, I'll show it to you right here in this corner.
Oh, yeah.
This is just explaining the process of what's happening.
That's myself.
We'll just lift up. You just go over here. Power down. Fan off. Brian. There you go. Gotta give that a second run live. So, once we get all this off, it just takes a few minutes to do. It's nice. And that's perfectly prepped surface for the new glass. This one's not going to be done because this corner's all destroyed and split and not going to have to be good again, but get the gist of it. And that shit's just peeling off. That's the idea, flakes off. That's nice. It's nice, man. So, you want to use the other blade, the fresh blade down? Oh, there it goes. Well, that's it there. What's up, young boy? Well, that's our laser. There it is. Yo, it's fucking liveception. Hold on, let it bring up the catch up. Oh, gonna get another dimension, folks. Terrible. Shit.
Real bad.
There it is. The laser. Presentation by yours truly, Levi. Repping Denver Repairs. This is our boy Blue right here.